Welcome to New Choice. Today we are going to learn some Malayalam words with the symbol Valli and their English meaning. Kili, bird. Kidavu, child. Calf. Kinavu, dream. Kiranam, rain. Karadi, bear. Odi, ran. Yeli, rat. Ulli, onion. Agni, fire. Angadi, market. Adima, slave. Ani, nail. Ashari, carpenter. Avide, there. Ivide, here. Evide, where. Kadhinam, hard. Karimbu, sugarcane. Kavil, cheap. Kashandi, ball. Kadivu, ability. Ganidam, math. Chidal, termite. Chinda, thought. Chitram, picture. Chireva, coconut scraper. Chiri, smile. Chilandi, spider. Chilla, branch. Chinnam, symbol. Chiravu, wings. Tinnuga, eat. Timiram, cataract. Divasam, day. Timingalam, whale. Nidhi, treasure. Nimittam, cause. Nimisham, moment. Nidal, shadow. Paribadi, program. Paribhasha, translation. Pirannal, birthday. Balika, girl. Madil, wall. Maravi, forgetfulness. Vali, way. Vipareetham, opposite. Vila, price. Viral, finger. Vivaham, marriage. Nadi, river. Vishwasam, trust. Vishayam, subject. Vilangu, handcuff. Viyarpu, sweat. Vishamam, struggle. Visham, poison. Viragu, firewood. Vidyalayam, school. Vidhi, fate. Vidhava, widow. Vichitram, strange. Vijayam, victory. Vikkal, stammering. Vidhi, fool. Vidaranam, distribution. Thank you for watching.